There are many ways to make money on Facebook, and in this video, we'll look at 14 of them. We'll also show you step by step how to do it. So if you want to make some extra cash, keep watching. Facebook pages are a great way to earn money online. They allow you to connect with people who share your interests and can be monetized in a number of ways. To monetize your Facebook page, go to the Page tab and click on Monetization. You can then choose from a variety of monetization options, including selling products and services, running ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Once you've chosen a monetization option, follow the instructions to set it up. With a little effort, you can turn your Facebook page into a profitable business. If you want to learn how to monetize your Facebook page, we have a comprehensive guide that will teach you everything you need to know. The guide is divided into 3 sections. In the first section, we'll teach you how to create a Facebook page and set up a business account. In the second section, we'll show you how to add monetization to your page and start earning money. And in the third section, we'll give you tips on how to grow your page and increase your earnings. It's never been easier to make money on Facebook. With our comprehensive guide, you'll be well on your way to success in no time. So if you're ready to get started, be sure to check out the guide today. Reels are a new feature on Facebook that allow users to create and share short videos. They're similar to TikTok videos and can be used to promote products or services, share behind-the-scenes content, or just entertain followers. To start earning money from Reels, you first need to create a Facebook page. Once you have a page, you can start posting Reels. You can use any smartphone to record Reels, and you don't need any special equipment or software. Once you've recorded your Reel, you can add a title and a description and then post it on your page. You can also use the shareable link to promote your Reel on other social media platforms. Your Reel will be eligible for monetization once it has 12,000 views over 3 months. You can then apply to the Facebook Partner Program and start earning money from your Reels. Another way to make money on Facebook is by selling products via Facebook Live. This allows you to reach a large audience and generate sales without having to build a separate website. If you're looking to make some extra money on Facebook, one option is to become an affiliate marketer. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on any sales you generate. There are a few different ways to do this on Facebook. You can join an affiliate program, find a product or service to promote, and create content that promotes that product or service. You can then share this content with your followers on Facebook and earn commissions on any sales you drive. Another option is to use the Facebook Marketplace to sell items locally. This is a great way to declutter your home and make some extra money. You can list items for sale and set your price or leave it at 0 so buyers can make an offer. You can also accept offers via Facebook Messenger. And finally, you can start an e-commerce store directly on Facebook. This is a great option if you have products to sell, or if you want to dropship items from suppliers. To set up an e-commerce store on Facebook, go to the Facebook Business Manager and create a new app. Once the app is created, go to the app settings and click on Marketplace. From here, you can set up your store and start listing items for sale. Another way to make money on Facebook is by boosting local business. If you're good with social media, you can offer your services to local businesses and help them grow their Facebook presence. This could involve creating and managing their Facebook page, running Facebook ads, or creating content for their page. You can charge businesses a monthly fee for your services, or you can set up an hourly rate. You can also make money on Facebook by getting sponsored content. This involves partnering with brands to create content that promotes their products or services. You can find sponsored content deals on websites like SocialBook and FameBit. Typically, you'll need to have a large following on Facebook in order to qualify for sponsored content deals. If you're a content creator, you can earn money on Facebook by gaining followers. The more followers you have, the more money you'll make. You can use Facebook's ad targeting options to reach new audiences and grow your following. You can also use Facebook's analytics tools to track your progress and see what's working and what's not. With a little time and effort, you can build a successful following on Facebook and start earning some serious cash. Another way to make money on Facebook is by selling courses or services. This is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others while making some extra income. You can create and sell courses on topics you're passionate about or offer services like coaching or consulting. To get started, create a Facebook group and use it to promote your course or service. You can also run Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. And if you have a lot of friends on Facebook, you can make money by joining Facebook groups. Many groups are focused on making money and can provide valuable insights and resources. You can also find groups that are relevant to your interests and hobbies and can make money by participating in group activities. For example, you can take surveys, complete tasks, and answer questions. Some groups even offer cash rewards for members who contribute the most. You can also make money on Facebook by selling digital products such as ebooks and templates. To do this, create a Facebook group and use it to promote your products. You can also run Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. One of the best ways to make money on Facebook is by learning how to run Facebook ads with the right skills. You can help businesses of all sizes reach their target audiences and achieve their marketing goals. To get started, enroll in a Facebook ads course and get certified. Once you're certified, you can start offering your services to businesses. You can charge businesses a monthly retainer or a project-based fee. Finally, you can make money on Facebook by hosting events. This is a great way to meet new people and earn commissions on ticket sales. To get started, create a Facebook event and start promoting it to your friends and family. You can also run Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. So there you have it, 14 ways to make money on Facebook. Hopefully this video has given you some ideas on how you can start earning some extra cash. If you're ready to get started, be sure to check out our guide to making money on Facebook. With a little effort, you can turn your Facebook account into a profitable business.